Today, we're going to build an A-Wing fighter using 13 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab this 1x2 brick with studs on both sides. And the reason it has studs on both sides is because we're next going to get this 1x2 plate with clip on top, and we're going to put it on the side of that 1x2 brick. And we're going to do that 2 times so that those clips are facing the same way, and that's going to be the back of our A-Wing fighter. Now once we've got those on, we're going to go to these slope pieces, these 3x1 slope pieces with a notch in the back. Well, on the front of that slope piece, we're going to get a 1x1 plate and just put it right there on top of our slope. And we're going to do that 2 times. So you've got another slope piece, another plate, putting it on like that. Now behind that plate, I'm going to get a 1x1 brick with studs on 2 sides, and we're going to put one of those studs next to that plate. Now that we've got this side of our A-Wing fighter complete, we're going to grab our body again, and now remember those clips are in the back, and we're going to put it so that that last stud, the notch in our slope, goes right there on that stud on our plate. And now we're going to do it with both sides. So here's that 1x1 plate. It's going to go right there next to our 1x1 brick, and then attached to our 1x2 plate with clip like that. And so here's the front of our A-Wing fighter. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a 1x1 translucent black plate and put it on the back here. So 1x1 translucent black plate on the back. After that, we're going to get a 1x1 translucent black tile piece and put it right on top of that plate we just put on. So you can kind of see the cockpit of our A-Wing fighter coming to life. Now on top of the next brick, this next white stud, we're going to get a 1x1 sloped cheese wedge slice and put it right there on that white stud. And that is going to give us the front of our A-Wing pilot's cockpit. Now to create the wings or the back fins of the A-Wing, we're going to get these 1x2 plates with closed handles, and we're going to just snap them on like this so the studs are facing out, and do that 2 times. And here we have an A-Wing fighter ready to take on a Super Star Destroyer.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.